Hey everyone, this is John from AAAAFx, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to deal with or how to save and create custom profiles and templates in MetaTrader 4. So what are profiles and templates? Well, they're two separate things. So profiles is all about how the charts are positioned. So for example, say you have a multi-screen setup and you have, a Euro-US dollar 5-minute chart on one screen. So if we just minimize this, you can see how there's quite a few charts here at the bottom. Now say I have a multi-screen setup and I've got different charts on different screens and all that. Basically the whole MetaTrader 4 as a whole, like where I've positioned all my charts relative to all my screens, that is a profile. Okay, so, and it doesn't just have to be charts, it can be, the data window, it could be the depth of market, whatever it might be. However I've set up all my little windows within MetaTrader 4, that is a profile. So say I'm really happy with how I set this up, I really like the way I've set it up. All I've got to do is go to File, Profiles, and then go Save As, and I can call this my office setup, for example. Okay, click OK. That's now saved as my setup of my profile, so my office setup. So all the windows, etc., will be how they are. Okay, so that's one way. But what about templates? So a template is basically visually and also all the indicators and EAs you have on your chart. So here is the Euro-US dollar chart 1 hour, and I've got two moving averages. The bullish candles are blue, the bearish candles are red, and the background's white. I really like how this looks. I really like how it's basically how it looks. So I like this template. So I'm going to save it as a template. So I'm going to right click, go to template, save template, and I'm going to call this my favorite template. Make this really easy. Click save. And now if I go to a chart that doesn't look like this, so for example, gold, okay? Gold 1 hour looks completely different. Instead of going through all the settings of changing everything to my specifications, all I have to do is right click, template, load template, find my favorite template that we just saved, click open, and there we go. We now have, it's now changed gold into, so the gold chart to look exactly how my Euro-US dollar chart looks in terms of the two moving averages, the color scheme, and any other things I may have added, like expert advisors, etc. And that is basically it. So very, very useful if you're dealing with lots of charts and you only have to set it up once, and then you can copy those settings over to any chart in the future just by using templates. So I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.